Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make this maple leaf with crochet. So to make this leaf I have used single crochet stitches and work in the back loop of the stitches to get this structure. So to make this leaf, first I made this center, then first half and then second half of the leaf. You can use this leaf in any of your home decoration. You can use this as a coaster. To make this I'm going to use this cotton thread from this brand, and this is a medium size thread. For this thread I'm going to use crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. So before we start how to make this leaf, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this. So first make chain 16. So make a slip knot in your hook. Now make chain 16. So after 16 chain, skip your first chain, and when you turn your work at the back side, so you can see this knot structure at the back side. So we are going to work on this back knots. So skip the first chain, and when you turn your work, so here you can see this back knot. Take your hook into this knot and make one single crochet. So one, then into the next two. So like this you have to make one single crochet in next 14 stitches. So 1 and 2 is done. So 12 more single crochet stitches. So after 14 single crochet stitches, in last stitch here we're going to make, so in last stitch you just work normally how you work, and here we are going to make 3 single crochets. So 1, 2 more in the same space. So 14 single crochets, then 3 single crochet. Now we are going to work in the opposite side of the chain. So you can see this chain structure. Now take your hook in this back side stitch and make one single crochet. So like this you have to make one single crochets working in the back loop of the stitch, and make total 14 single crochet stitches. So we made 14 single crochet in one side, then 3 single crochets, and then 14 single crochet stitches. Now make chain 1. So turn your work. Now you can see this chain has a V structure like this. So this is the front side and this is the back side. So in round number 2 we are going to work on this back loop of the stitch. So skip your turning chain and the first stitch. Now take your hook in the third stitch from your hook. So 1, 2 and 3. So in the third stitch take the back loop and make 1 single crochet, then into the next 1 single crochet. So 2 single crochets. Like this you have to make total 14 single crochets by taking back loop of these stitches. So 2 is done. 12 more single crochet stitches. So 14 single crochet stitches. Now we come to this top and this is the middle stitch of our 3 single crochet stitches of the previous round. So take both the loop of that stitch like this and make 3 single crochet stitch in this stitch. So 1, 2 more in the same space, 2, 3. We made 14 single crochets in this side, then 3 single crochets. Now we are going to work on this side. So again work in the back loop of the stitch. So take the next stitch back loop like this and make 1 single crochet. So like this you have to make 12 single crochet stitches on this side. So 1 is done. So in total 12. So 12 single crochet stitches. Now make chain 1 and turn your work. So round number 2 is done. Now in round number 3 skip your turning chain and the first stitch and work on back loop of these stitches and make 1 single crochet in the next 12 stitch. So 1, 2. So like this total 12 single crochet stitches. So after 12 single crochet again we come to the middle stitch of that 3 single crochets of previous round. So take both the loop of that middle stitch and make 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3. So we made 12 single crochet at this side, one side, then 3 single crochet. Now again we are going to work single crochets on this side and work on the back loop of these stitches. So into the next 13 stitches make 1 single crochets by taking the back loop. So 1 and 2. So like this in total you will make 13 single crochets. So 13 single crochets. Now make chain 1, turn your work. Again we are going to skip our turning chain and the first stitch from the previous round, and again we are going to work on the back loop. So now we are going to make 1 single crochets into the next 13 stitches. Skip first 2 stitch, and in the third stitch take your hook in the back loop, make 1 single crochet, then into the next 2. So like this you have to make total 13 single crochet stitches. So after 13 single crochet stitches, again we come to this middle stitch of chain of 3 single crochets from the previous round. So top of that middle stitch, take both the loops and make 3 single crochet. So after 3 single crochets, again we are going to work on this side. Now into the next 11 stitches of this side, make 1 single crochet and work on the back loop. So 1, 2, so like this you have to make 11 stitches. Round number 4 is done. Now in round number 5, again make chain 1, turn your work, skip this turning chain and the first stitch. Now into the next 11 stitches, work 1 single crochets in the back loop. So take the back loop, make 1 single crochet, then into the next 2. So like this you have to make 1 single crochets. In total you will have 11 single crochets. After 11 single crochets, again we come to this center where we made the 3 single crochet. So the top of middle stitch, take both the loops and make 3 single crochet. After 3 single crochets, we are going to work on this side. So work on the back loop and into the next 12 stitches, make 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, like this you have to make total 12 single crochets. So 12 stitches. Now make chain 1 and turn your work. So our row number 5 is done. Now in row number 6, again skip your turning chain and the first stitch, then into the next 12 stitches, work on the back loop and make 1 single crochet. So take your hook into the third stitch back loop, make 1 single crochet, then into the next 2, 3. So like this total 12 single crochets. So after 12 single crochets, again in top of middle stitch from the previous round, make 3 single crochets. So 3 single crochets. Now in this, so we worked 12 single crochets of this side, then 3 single crochet. Again we are going to work on this side. Now into the next 10 stitches, work on the back loop and make 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, like this total 10 single crochets. So 10 single crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, turn your work. So our round number 6 is done. In round number 7, again skip your turning chain and the first stitch and work on the back loop, and into the next 10 stitches make 1 single crochet. So 1 2 3. So like this, total 10 single crochet. So after 10 single crochets, again we come to this center. Here again, next stitch, top of that, take both the loops and make 3 single crochet. So 3 single crochets. Now in this side, work on the back loops and make 1 single crochets into the next 11 stitches. 1 2 3. So like this, total 11 stitches. So 11 stitches and round number 7 is done. Now make chain 1, turn your work. Now in round number 8, again skip your turning chain and first stitch, and into the next 10 stitches make 1 single crochet and work the back loop. So like this, make total 10 single crochet stitches. Again we come to this center stitch, so top of that make 3 single crochets. After 3 single crochets, we are going to work on this side and work the back loop, and into the next 11 stitches make 1 single crochet, work on the back loop. So 1 2, like this, total 11 stitches. So round number 8 is done. Now make chain 1, turn your work, again skip the turning chain and the first stitch, then into the next 11 stitches work in the back loop and make 1 single crochet. 1 2 3, like this, total 11 single crochet stitches. So after 11 single crochets, when you come to this center, so top of that middle stitch make 5 single crochet stitches. So 5 single crochets. Then into the, now we are going to work on this side and work again into the back loops, and into the next 9 stitches make 1 single crochet. So 9 single crochets. So we made this center part. Now we are going to make the first half of the leaf. So to make the first half, first make chain 5. After chain 5, skip the first 2 chains, 1 and 2, then into the next 8 stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stitches, work in the back loops and make 1 single crochet. So 8 single crochet stitches, then make chain 1, turn your work. Now skip this chain 1 and the first stitch, then work on the back loops and make 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. So from the third stitch, work on the back loop and make 1 single crochet. So 7 single crochet stitches. Now make chain 4. After chain 4, so skip the first 2 stitches and into the next 9 stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Work in the back loops and make 1 single crochet. So 9 single crochet stitches. Now this is my previous row. Now take your hook in the end of that previous row. So here, so at the end of previous row, take your hook. Now make 1 more single crochet here, and this is our main leaf. So into the next stitch of that main leaf here, take the back loop and make a slip stitch. Now make chain 1, turn your work. So our row number 10 is done. Now to start the row number 11, skip your turning chain. So this is your turning chain and the first stitch. From the third stitch, work on the back loop and into the next 10 stitches make 1 single crochet. 1 2 So after 10 single crochets, make chain 4. After chain 4, skip the first 2 chain 1 and 2, then into the next 12 stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Work in the back loops and make 1 single crochet. So take your hook into the third stitch, back loop and make 1 single crochet, then into the next 2, then into the next 3, so after 12 single crochets, again from the last row, so this row, end of this row, take your hook here and make 1 single crochet, then into the next stitch of the main leaf here make 1 slip stitch to join this row. Yes. Now make chain 1 and turn your work. So our round number 11 is done. Now in row number 12, now skip this 2 stitches. So this is your turning chain and this is the slip stitch. So skip this 2 stitches, then into the from the third stitch make 1 single crochets, work in the back loop and make total 11 single crochets. 1, work in the back loop, 2, 3, so like this, total 11 single crochets. So after 11 stitches, make chain 1, then turn your work. Now skip this turning chain and the first stitch, and from the third stitch work on the back loop, and into the next 10 stitches work on the back loop and make 1 single crochet. So total 10 single crochets. So after 10 stitches, so at the end of previous row, here make 1 single crochet and into the main leaf stitch, this one, take the back loop and make a slip stitch to connect this row. Now make chain 1, turn your work. Now our row number 12 is done. Now in row number 13, skip this turning chain and slip stitch, and into the next 9 stitches work on the back loop and make 1 single crochet. So after 9 stitches, make chain 1, turn your work. Now skip this turning chain and the first stitch, then work on the back loop and into the next 8 stitches make 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, so after 8 single crochet stitches, at the end of previous row, here make 1 single crochet and into the main leaf, take the back loop and make 1 slip stitch to connect this row. Now make chain 1 and turn your work. So our row number 13 is done. Now to start row number 14, again we are going to skip turning chain and this slip stitch, and from the third stitch from your hook work on the back loop and into the next 7 stitches make 1 single crochet. So after 7 stitches, make chain 4, after chain 4 skip first 2 stitches and into the next 9 stitches, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, work in the back loops and make 1 single crochet. So after 9 stitches, again at the end of previous row, make 1 single crochet and from this main leaf into the next stitch, take the back loop and make a slip stitch. So our row number 14 is done. Now make chain 1, turn your work. Now skip turning chain and this slip stitch Now work on the back loops of next 10 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So after 10 stitches, again make chain 4. So skip this first 2 stitches and work on the back loop of next 12 stitches. Make 1 single crochet. So after 12 stitches, again at the end of last row make single crochet, top of next stitch of main leaf, take the back loop and make a slip stitch. Now make chain 1. So our row number 15 is done. Now turn your work. Now in row number 16, again skip your turning chain and the slip stitch, and from the third stitch work on the back loop in next 11 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So after 11 stitches make chain 1, turn your work. Now skip turning chain and the first stitch, and from the third stitch work in the back loop of the next 10 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So after 10 stitches, again at the end of previous row make 1 single crochet into the main leaf, take the back loop and make a slip stitch. So our row number 16 is done. Now make chain 1, turn your work, skip this turning chain and slip stitch, then work on the back loop of next 9 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So after 9 single crochets, chain 1, turn your work. Now skip this chain 1 and the next stitch, then into the next 8 stitches work on the back loop and make 1 single crochet. So after 8 single crochets at the end of previous row make 1 single crochet. So like this, first half of the leaf is done. Now we are going to work on the second half. So this is our main leaf. Now into the next 12 stitches of this side make 1 single crochet, work on the back loop, so after 12 stitches you come to this end and you just have to repeat these stitches from row number 10 to 17 to make this second half. So this second half is exactly the same as the first half, so you just have to repeat these stitches. So once you complete the second half, now make chain. Now we are going to make this stem, so make chain 10. So after chain 10, skip your first chain, and when you turn your chain again you get this back knots. So we are going to work 1 single crochets on this knot. So skip your first chain, take your hook in the back knot of second chain, make 1 single crochet, then into the next 2. Like this you have to make total 9 single crochet stitches. So 10 single crochets. When you come to this center, must make a slip stitch, pull this thread, cut with some margin, so this maple leaf is done. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. You can also connect to me through my Insta and Facebook page. I will give you the link in description box. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.